Introducing our main ingredients: fresh zucchini, a dash of pepper, fragrant paprika, sea salt, and rich olive oil. Slice the zucchini thinly for that perfect crunch. And now I'd like to know which country or city you're following us from, to send you a very special hug and thank you for watching us. Drizzle generously with olive oil, followed by a sprinkle of sea salt. But the magic truly begins with our paprika, a spice not just for flavor, but also known to boost metabolism and lower blood pressure. And of course, a dash of pepper for that extra kick. Mix them up. Make sure each slice gets its fair share of this flavorful concoction. Now lay them out on a tray, ensuring they don't overlap. This will guarantee a crispy treat. Into the oven they go, at 400 F for a short 15 to 20 minutes, and they'll transform into golden, crispy delights. And voila! A snack even our tiny taste testers approve. Health and taste, all in one bite. Until next time, happy snacking!